guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing I Can't Wait for Spring nail art. We are starting off with a base coat. We're adding aPeasing from Sinful Colors as a base color. Remember to add 2 coats for better opacity. We're going to start adding flowers, and for this flower, using a sharpen brush, we're going to draw an X and then a cross. With Pretty Princess by Ella+Mila. Now for this flower, we're using a dotting tool with the polish My Pool Party by Ella+Mila. For this, we're not completely pressing the dotting tool to the nail and then drag it to the middle. Now with Mila's Fave from Ella+Mila, we're doing a flower with 5 dots, and we are also doing the same with Snowy White from Sinful Colors. And for the center of the nails, we're using Wheels on the Bus by Ella+Mila. We are using Twinkle Twinkle by Ella+Mila for the rest of the nails that we didn't put flowers. Finish with a glossy top coat. And here are the final results. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell for more, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!